In this video, I will show you how to save money at Macy's by setting up the PriceLasso price tracker. PriceLasso shows you Macy's price history and sends you email alerts when the price drops to any amount you want. By waiting a few weeks, you can often save a significant amount at Macy's. To start price tracking, just sign up for free at PriceLasso.com, add our extension to your browser, and then go to any Macy's product page. Over here, I want to price track this Macy's diamond necklace. So all I have to do is click on our green button, and you'll see this product appear on your alerts dashboard. You can customize the price to any amount you want, and once it hits that price, you'll get an email alert. In addition to Macy's, PriceLasso also lets you track items at other stores like Nordstrom's, Bloomingdale's, Amazon, and many more, and works for all the major browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and even Safari on iPhone.